how to contact Uber Eats in several different ways if you experience an issue with your order. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can actually contact Uber Eats using the help section in your account. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Uber Eats does provide several different ways to contact them if something happens with an order, since they know convenience is what people are looking for. When they use their app, they want to keep the process as simple as possible. On the app, just navigate to the account tab at the bottom of the screen, then just tap on the help button to get to Uber Eats help center. So just tap on this help icon which you see over here. As you do so, choose the topic that closely relates to your issue, then see if any of their frequently asked questions answer your question or solve the issue. Now, most issues with Uber Eats can be solved within their help center, so don't give up until you're sure they don't have an option that helps you with your problem. If you're having a more unique or serious issue, you can actually also contact Uber Eats through email or by phone or on Twitter. Now, if you prefer your communication to be private and don't mind if they get back to you right away, or if you get the answer next day, send an email to eats@uber.com. I'll make sure to also leave the email in the description box. Also, keep in mind to never send out sensitive information like your password or credit card number via email, and Uber Eats representatives should never ask you for those details. Hope this video helped you. That's all it takes to contact Uber Eats. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.